Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can enable captions when viewing TikTok videos. So open your TikTok account and go to homepage. And for example, I want to see captions for this specific video. As you can see, there is an icon on top of the username of the video creator. Just tap on that and you should be able to read the captions on the screen.
For a couple of months and things were going great, so
Actually, the only way that you can read captions on specific videos on TikTok is when the video creator enabled the captions option when they're making their video. So for example, let's say this video creator did not enable captions on her video. You would not see the icon on top of the username of the video creator, and there would be no captions available.
How did I reduce my screenshots from this?
Well, I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.